Good morning. It's been an exciting week for Rutherford County Schools as we welcomed back all of our students for the first full week of the 25-26 school year. This week, we were able to celebrate the ribbon cutting of Simon Springs Community School, and today at 2 p.m. we will officially cut the ribbon on Riverdale High School's building addition. As we prepare to begin our second full week of school tomorrow, I want to thank you for your patience and flexibility as we have started this new school year. The first few weeks are always a time of adjustment for students, families, and staff, and your support makes a tremendous difference in helping everything run smoothly. I want to thank our staff and our parents and our students, as going this time last week, we were beginning school for 52,000 students, and that challenge of going from 0 students to 52,000 students in a week truly does take everyone's cooperation and effort. I'd also like to take a moment to share a few important updates from across the district. First, we are aware that there have been delays involving some of our school buses during the first days of school. Please know our transportation team is working diligently to address these challenges and improve routes so that students arrive on time each morning and return home promptly in the afternoon. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience these delays may have caused and appreciate your understanding as we work towards a solution. We had over 2,500 new students that were not registered last year who have asked for transportation, and adjusting all of those routes and bus times does take some time. So again, we apologize and thank you for your patience. Additionally, you all know that we're operating under a new cell phone policy district-wide. We recognize our new cell phone policy has required adjustments for students and families. We appreciate your cooperation as we follow the new state law, which does allow students to have their cellular devices, but limits their use to very specific situations during the school day. At a small number of schools, there have been isolated issues with air conditioning units. Our maintenance teams are actively working to prepare these systems as quickly as possible to ensure that classrooms remain comfortable and conducive to learning for all students. We have several hot days ahead, and we will work to make sure we address these as quickly as possible. Lastly, beginning in early September, we will be installing weapons detection systems at every school campus in the district. District level and school staff will begin training on the new systems this week to ensure a smooth and efficient rollout. Additional details will be shared with families soon, and we're confident this step will further strengthen the safety and security of our schools. As always, thank you for partnering with us in our mission to invest in every student, every day. Have a great week.